Introduction to Truebill.
Managing subscriptions can be challenging, but Truebill makes it easier. Truebill is a personal finance app designed to help you track spending, identify recurring charges, and cancel unwanted subscriptions. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Truebill to gain control over your subscriptions and save money in just a few simple steps.
Getting started with Truebill.
Start by downloading the Truebill app from your device's app store. After installing, create an account and securely connect your bank accounts or credit cards. This allows Truebill to scan your transactions, helping to identify recurring charges and subscriptions. The app uses bank-level security to keep your information safe.
Identifying your subscriptions.
Once your accounts are connected, Truebill automatically analyzes your spending and lists your active subscriptions. View this list on the app's dashboard. You can browse all recurring payments, see the amount and frequency, and spot any subscriptions you might have forgotten about. This transparency helps you keep track of your expenses.
Managing and canceling subscriptions.
When you see a subscription you no longer need, select it to view more details. Truebill offers a cancellation feature for many subscriptions. Tap the Cancel Service button, and Truebill will guide you through the cancellation process, or can sometimes handle the cancellation for you. Check the status updates within the app to confirm when cancellations are completed.
Additional Truebill features and tips.
Beyond tracking and canceling subscriptions, Truebill offers budget planning, bill negotiation, and reminders for upcoming charges. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions and updating your preferences helps you avoid unwanted charges. Taking a few minutes each month to check Truebill can save money and prevent surprises, keeping your finances under control.